It's the final brain cell.
What happened? What happened? What happened?
I spilled. I didn't mean it, actually. Joke.
So I want you guys to read chapter 5 and 6. And do you have any other questions right now?
When's our next test?
Next test will be on Tuesday the 12th.
Okay, and how are you even hearing me in the first place?
Does anyone else have any other questions?
You serious?
يا الله ورب حرام.
يا الله ورب حرام.
يا عيال وين شت والله وين شت يا عيال.
يا وين شت والله وين شت يا عيال.
اهو يا عيال انا بقفل المايك.
Nah, guys, I finally found that filter that looks funny when you jump on your bed. Alright, basically, you put it on the floor next to your bed, innit? Like this. And then you just scrap real low when you just jump.
I just want to remind everyone that it's okay if your friend doesn't text you back immediately. But not with me. You better reply to me before I even press send. If you can't read my mind, bestie, I don't want you in my life.
Okay, if you want to go, say it to the camera. What do you want to do?
I want to go to see the movie.
Which one?
The movie you guys...
Say what it is.
Gorilla versus Kong.
I don't understand why you guys think it's so cute when I speak Arabic. Like, it's not even cute. Kul khara. Sharmudas.
Okay, watch me scare my boyfriend. Just kidding, he lives in another nation. My imagination.
Hello, if you don't like my outfit, I don't wear it to make you like it.
I hate it here. I hate school. I hate all men. I hate her. I hate you. I hate everyone. I hate love.
Hey, Shadi. Guys, be like, I'm gonna marry 4 women. Brother, you don't even have one girl who's interested in you. Your mama still wakes you up for fajr. You can't even handle 5 prayers. You think you're gonna marry 4 women? Stop dreaming. Come back to reality.
This is seriously the funniest shit I've ever seen in a bathroom in my life. Careful. I scream.
Pour it in there. For some reason, I didn't think you'd pour the whole thing. That's kind of on me. Alright.
So, people look at my heels and tell me that, like, I'm gonna be the first one to die in a scary movie. But what they don't see,
Finish this sentence. You're my
Best friend.
Oh.
Tell me you're rich without telling me you're rich.
So for my graduation present, my dad built me this house. I'll show you the inside. So when you walk in, this is my living room. And then this is my kitchen. I have a bathroom, closet, a garage. And then when you go upstairs, I have my bedroom with my bathroom and my walk-in closet. And then I have this area, and I have a laundry room, another bedroom, and a bathroom. Here's him painting it.
Go to Starbucks and order water with whipped cream. All right, let's go. Hi, could I just get a water with whipped cream on top? That's it.
Come on up to the window.
Thank you. Thank you so much. They actually gave me water with whipped cream.